So you all know that in last couple of not couple of just one or two videos I was saying that what's wrong going on with my English, why I'm not, why actually that time I was not practicing my English on a regular basis, and I was thinking in a negative way, not just in one or two videos but this entire week, and today I'm here to share or review this book called The Secret. There must be a chance that you already know about this book because this is one of the popular book we all know. This is crazy. This book all about law of attraction. Law of attraction, nothing but just about what we are thinking throughout the day, how our thoughts works. Whenever whatever you are thinking throughout the day, you are attracting all those things. So as I said that I was not practicing my English in couple of, not couple of, just one or two videos I mentioned that I was not practicing my English, and also I was thinking in a negative way in this whole week about my English, and at the same time that reflects in my real life. I start, really, like in reality, I was not that much fluent. I was not, sensed, or I was not felt that much fluent, that usually I am. But I was just thinking, I was not taking action. But when I started yesterday, before yesterday, when I began to practice again in groups, that time I start feeling good. I start feeling that yes, now my fluency came. So we were also in groups, their groups, we were talking about law of attraction and all these things, because that time I was thinking that I will review this book on Saturday. So they are also knowing about mental fitness, like how important it is. So we are thinking, and when I shared my whole story, that what's going on in this week, and they all were saying me that Rahul, you are thinking in a negative way, you are talking about your English in a negative way, that what's, and even if you are a beginner, that time you should not think or say some bad things about your English. You are a journey, just take it as a like a course, like your studies. So when you take in this English in this way, that time you will focus only on your English, not your progress. We all are suffering from this, we all are thinking in a negative way about our English. So there, get to the point, get to the story. So they were saying me that Rahul, you start thinking in a negative way, that's why your fluency gone. So we all are thinking, and a lot of people are suffering, a lot of people are facing this problem. They all are, even you are watching me, and sometimes you are also felt or feeling this thing, that why I'm not speaking in a good way. But when we are taking actions, last day last day yesterday I was also watching a holistic life coach, and she's great. I'll mention her video, I'll give you the link of her channel. She's talking in English, and she's one of the great good coach. Her name is Gayatri, I think. So I'll give you the link if you want to watch her videos. So let me know in the comment box, I'll give you the link. So if I tell you about this book, this is one of the best book. If you are thinking, what do you think in your whole life, your thoughts reflect in your real life. Your thoughts is the, your life is the output, is the product of your thoughts. What do you think, what you are thinking in this whole day, or in your whole life? If you are thinking about something good that is going on, your in your real life, something good will definitely come to your life, because you are thinking. So thinking is the first thing. If you are a beginner, or if you are an intermediate level speaker, whether whoever you are, in this whole week I was also not feeling good, but when I took actions, that time I start feeling good. And right now I am also start focusing on my sentence structure, that I will mention in another video, that big thing, that we are not making good sentences. So I will cover this topic in next video. So just buy this book if you want to read this book, that I will give you this book's link in the description. You can go and buy this book. This is one of the best book. You can also watch her, it's a documentary on YouTube. And please watch, guys, and watch only English content. If you are watching me, you are on the right way, and try to grab something good. What I'm saying, like, how, wait, my lights off. And I also mentioned that I don't want to focus to make a perfect video. I'm just here to share my experiences. Okay, but I start focusing on perfection. But don't focus on perfection. When we start focusing on perfection, that is the time when we start feeling bad about our progress, because that time we eagerly want to be perfect. We eagerly want to become a perfect person, whether it is your study, it is your English, it is whatever. So do not focus on your perfection, just focus on your progress, focus on your actions that you are taking every single day. I'm making videos every single day because I'm passionate. I am practicing my English every single day because I'm passionate. But as I mentioned, that I was not practicing, because I started doing two things at the same time. The most worst thing, or the most important thing, is we are continuously want to do different things at the same time. This cause our, this is the main cause, that we are not consistent. So if you want to be consistent, just try to focus only one or two thing, to major thing of your life that you are passionate about. We cannot, we couldn't do multiple things, but a lot of people are doing, but at the same time they are also not feeling good. And this is right, whether they are saying that, wow, no, we are feeling good, we can do multiple things at the same time. No, they lying you, guys, they lying us. Just be passionate. Who the hell they are to saying you that your English is not good? Even some of, I got some comments where people are saying me, not too much, but some of one or two comments I received yet till now. And they are saying that, Rahul, your English is not so good, why you are I'm making videos for myself, I'm making videos that I'm passionate, I'm making videos for the people that feeling good while watching my videos. If you are not feeling good, that why you are watching? If some watch, videos or some content makes me not good, make me not good, that I I don't watch them. Okay, get to the point, guys. This is one of the best book you can watch. This book is completely guidance, or a guide, complete guide, that how you can attract your favorite things, your desires. What do you think? If you want to be fluent, just take this book and buy this book, and this book will guide you the exact thing, how you can make your mindset good to learn English fast. Okay, attract like this. We are attracting. If I am thinking, if you are thinking, what do you think? What do you think about me? What do you think about your English? What do you think about your home? What do you think about your gadgets? What do you think about your smartphone? You have to think in a positive way if you want to get more good things in your life. Okay, hope you got my point. This is, I think, good video is around 10 minutes. So it's good. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. And I also started making some kind of vlogs, so maybe you will like that. And if you are new here, Why, what you are doing, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned with me. I'll help you uh, in those things that I already covered and I'm covering uh, throughout the day in my learning English learning journey. Okay, you can also connect with me on my Instagram. We can talk on a call, it's not a big deal. We can easily talk on a call and I'll guide you everything that I already covered and I already did. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Bye.